Hello students, welcome to online learning platform. I'm your mathematics coach and today I will teach you a very important topic, that is probability. This topic is very important for class 10th CBSE and ICSE examination pattern. So first thing which comes in our mind, that what is the meaning of the probability? Means what is the exact meaning of the probability? The meaning of probability, that the possibility which we have doing in any particular job. Suppose I have one banana and one apple and I have to eat one out of them. So if we consider the total number of fruits, they are two, means we have one banana and one apple. The total number of fruit becomes two. And if I have to eat one, if I have to eat one, then I will choose one out of them. Means either I can choose banana or I can choose apple. So there are two things, means two possibilities. If I will eat banana or if I will eat apple. So if I'm asking that what is the probability of eating banana, then what will happen? The probability of banana will become 1 out of 2. So this is the probability. But the fact is that how does it comes? The formula of probability, favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. So this is the formula of finding the probability. Now here in this case, favorable outcome means, what is the meaning of the favorable outcome? Means the demand of the question, what they are asking, that is the meaning of favorable outcome. Suppose they are asking that what is the probability of eating banana. So we will think over the banana. Means banana, we have only one banana. So the favorable outcome means that is one. There are two foods, one is apple and one is banana, and we have to eat banana. So there are chances, means possibilities of eating banana is one. So the favorable outcome will become 1. So here in this case, the favorable outcome of banana will become 1. And now the total number of outcome means the total number of outcomes. We can eat banana and we can eat apple, any of them. Means the total number of outcomes are 2. So this is the total number of the outcome. So this is the probability of eating banana. In the same way, if we go for apple, means the probability of apple, then what will happen? Means we have only one chance of eating apple. That will become 1 out of 2. In the same way, means the favorable outcome of eating apple will become 1, and the total number of outcome, that is apple and as well as banana, it will become 1 upon 2. So this is the probability of eating apple. You must have played Ludo number of times in your life. Then what happens? We see the dice which has number 1, comma 2, comma 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Means when we roll a dice, then what happens? Either 1 come, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 can come. So these are the sample spaces, means the total outcome which we write in a curly bracket or in an angular bracket, then it becomes the sample spaces. This is known as the sample spaces. So here, now I am asking that what is the probability of coming 2 on the dice? So now what is the formula? Again, we think that favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. This is the formula of probability. So if I am asking that what is the probability of coming 2 on the dice, then there are 6 number, means the total number of favorable outcome, and as well. So Here we see there are 6 number. The total number of outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number of outcome will become 6. It will become 6. So in denominator, we will write 6. And now we have to choose 2. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are the total number of items. And we have to choose one from them. Means this number will come in only one way. Means suppose dice is there and 2 is given, then the 2 will come on that face. It will come in a one way. So the favorable outcome is 1. That will become 1 by 6. So this is the probability of getting 1 on the dice. In the same way, we can also find the probability of others number like